Cassandra Gutierrez with the radar. What are you seeing, Cassandra?
Well, Dylan, we're seeing some of that rainfall already heading into the North State here. In parts of our valley region, you see that slight bit of green on our radar. That's where we're seeing some of that rainfall here in Redding and Tehama County, Butte County, also seeing a little bit more rainfall than what we're seeing here in Shasta County. But taking a look ahead, most of our counties currently in a winter weather advisory, at least through our overnight hours and into those early hours of our Wednesday. Definitely some hazardous traveling conditions. If you're heading out to the east, make sure you're watching out for road closures and of course dangerous road conditions because we're still tracking a winter storm warning at least through Wednesday night. So be careful out there with the potential snowfall, those cooler temperatures. We are expecting once again those very slight chances of rain in those lower elevations. We'll have to see if it all really combines and brings us that rainfall. But one of the things that has to happen is it's going to have to get cold. 36 degrees right now in Redding, upper 30s in most of our valley region. Along our Mount Shasta range, we're in the upper 20s, lower 20s in Alturas. Eventually, temperatures should be dropping down into the teens right here in our mountain range. And along our north coast, we're tracking those temperatures in the lower 40s. But taking a look ahead into that new year, we're tracking above normal rainfall for most of the north state, most of the western states really tracking a little bit more average normal rainfall. We're also looking at below normal temperatures. Southern California really feeling the impact of these lower temperatures as we head into this upcoming week and a half. We're tracking these conditions thanks to low pressure coming in from the Pacific, already making landfall, arriving earlier today, sticking around for the better half of our night hours tonight and into those early morning hours tomorrow. What we do know is we're already seeing some rainfall and expect to see a little bit more as we head into our evening overnight hours tonight and possibly once again lower elevation snow as we head into our day tomorrow. But regardless if we see snow or not, roads could be slippery, so be very careful out there. Eventually the clouds do start to roll in and stick around for the better half of our Wednesday, and by Thursday and Friday we see a beautiful clear sky. This is Friday right before the new year. We're seeing mostly clear conditions, so definitely a great night to be out and about if you're enjoying or being indoors for now if you're enjoying that new year and ringing in the new year with beautiful weather. But then that rainfall does make a comeback by the time next Monday comes around, and that's what we're expecting here. Sunday mostly clear, eventually Monday and Tuesday another round of showers. Taking a look at your temperatures for tomorrow, mostly in the lower 40s for our valley region, Redding and Chico, peaking in the lower 40s tomorrow. Tonight will be pretty chilly in the 30s for most of our valley, lower 20s for parts of our mountain range, 17 degrees for a low tonight in Alturas, 34 degrees for a high tomorrow in Mount Shasta, lower 30s for Trinity Center, upper 30s in Weaverville, Lewiston, and Hayfork. Your temperatures in Boerne should be at about 34 degrees, upper 20s in the forecast for Alturas. Redding, your temperatures in the lower 40s, a slightly bit cooler in Lakehead. And Chico, your temperatures also at about 43 degrees, upper 30s for Paradise. Our next 7 days in Redding, mostly in the 40s, eventually in the lower 50s by this upcoming Saturday. Chico, we're looking at very similar temperatures.